This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Stauffer. Ideal location in Royal Troon at Semiahmoo showcases this park-like setting of this perfectly landscaped yard. Sought after single-story with private bonus / bedroom loft with ensuite. Floor plan has absolutely no wasted space and is tastefully designed and decorated. You won't have to do a thing to make this home your own. It is perfect. Southern exposure and protected view makes for a one-of-a-kind find. Gracious room sizes, open kitchen and charming entry make for a great first impression. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.